Hey. 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 So yeah, we are at Black Cat's Cat Cafe. Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay. Look at me. That cat 99,000 VND combo one person.
Yeah.
You get what's that, free drink
Yeah,
and
free
snacks.
free snack.
So you can choose orange juice, espresso, americano, kumquat tea, and milk coffee.
Yeah.
True under 1 meter. Tall is 49.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think it's a good value for the ticket because it's one free snack, one free drink for the 99, and you get to play with all the cats.
Yeah.
Which is what's the top? Top cats.
Yeah, that's okay.
Top cats, okay, for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Free snack and drinks. Good price, good price. There's a dog. You don't see dog now? No way. See the overall. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's beautiful. Cats. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, come, let's go. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so where's the soup? Close the door. Close the door. Come, let's go. Close the door in this. Yeah. That cat coffee. Yeah. How was it? Nice? Okay or not? Black Bad Cat Coffee in Hanoi, okay or not? Okay. Come. So it's right here, this one is the address. Yep.